Throughout history, scientists and explorers have documented millions of species across forests, oceans, mountains, and some of the most remote ecosystems on Earth. Yet despite all this discovery, there remain certain creatures that sit at the edge of confirmed science and unexplained mystery animals that were seen only once, or just a handful of times, and then never reliably recorded again. These are not myths or legends, but real observations that exist in a strange space between certainty and uncertainty. One of the most fascinating examples is the purple frog, a strange amphibian with a bloated body, small head, and an almost completely underground lifestyle. First documented in parts of India, it spends most of its life buried beneath the soil, emerging only briefly during monsoon seasons to reproduce, even in regions where it is known to exist. Researchers still struggle to locate it consistently, making it one of the most elusive amphibians in modern biology. Another rare and mysterious species is the sala. It's often called the Asian unicorn due to its extreme rarity and elusive nature. Discovered only in the 1990s, it inhabits dense remote forests in Southeast Asia, where confirmed sightings remain extremely limited even today. Some researchers believe only a very small population still survives, possibly in isolated pockets, while others fear it may already be functionally extinct, surviving more in theory than in confirmed observation. In the ocean, the Omura's whale represents another example of a creature that remained mysterious for decades before being officially recognized by science. For years, sightings were vague and often misidentified, leading some scientists to question whether it was a distinct species at all. Even after confirmation, it remains extremely difficult to observe in the wild due to its deep ocean habits and highly elusive behavior, making encounters incredibly rare. On land, the Cuban solenodon is one of the strangest surviving mammals known today. With a long snout, primitive body structure, and even a venomous bite, it appears almost like a living relic from an earlier evolutionary era. Despite its uniqueness, it is rarely seen in the wild because of its nocturnal lifestyle and secretive behavior. And for long periods of history, scientists were uncertain whether it had even survived. Beyond confirmed species, there are also scattered reports of so-called ghost sightings, animals that appear only once in camera traps, blurry photographs, or brief field encounters before disappearing completely without further evidence. These cases remain unconfirmed and scientifically uncertain, sitting in a gray zone where something clearly unusual was observed, but never again reliably documented. What makes all of these cases so fascinating is not just their rarity, but the lack of repeat confirmation over time. In science, repeated observation is essential to confirm existence, behavior, and population stability, yet for these creatures, that second confirmation often never arrives. Some researchers believe they may still exist in hidden or poorly explored ecosystems deep within forests, mountains, or oceans, while others suspect some may have already gone extinct without being fully recorded. In extreme cases, even modern tools such as satellite tracking, drones, and automated camera traps have failed to locate these animals again after initial sightings. This raises an important question. Are they truly disappearing? Or are they simply living in regions so remote or inaccessible that current methods are not enough to detect them? The truth is that no one knows for certain, and that uncertainty is what makes these creatures so compelling to scientists and explorers alike. The more we investigate Earth, the more we realize how incomplete our understanding still is, especially in regions that remain difficult to access or study in detail. Somewhere out there in dense forests, deep oceans, or isolated valleys, there may still be creatures that science has only glimpsed once and may never see again. And perhaps that is the most powerful reminder of all. Even in a fully explored modern world, nature still has the ability to hide itself in plain sight, revealing only fragments of its secrets before disappearing once more.